Ever get tired of buying batteries over and over again? This little box from ORICO might just end that cycle literally. The ORICO Battery Charger Box with rechargeable AA Lithium Batteries gives you over 1,500 life cycles in one sleek, portable kit. This is the ORICO LEV8 AA Lithium Battery Charger Box A 2-in-1 design that both charges and stores your batteries neatly in one compact alloy case. It's designed for home, travel, or even your tech drawer. Lightweight, durable, and beautifully made with a magnetic lid that clicks shut with a satisfying snap. The charging box itself is crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, giving it a premium and sturdy feel. Inside, you'll find 8 independent charging slots, each capable of charging a single AA rechargeable lithium battery or all 8 at once. The LED indicator lights clearly show you what's happening. Flashing green means charging, steady green means fully charged, and a red light signals if a battery needs attention. With a Type-C interface and 5 volts 3A input, this charger completes a full charge in just 2.5 hours. That's fast, especially for lithium-ion batteries. Each battery outputs a stable 1.5 volts voltage, giving consistent power to your devices like remotes, game controllers, flashlights, wireless mice, or even VR controllers. And here's the best part: these batteries can be charged over 1,500 times. If you recharge once a day, you could be using this same set for more than 4 years. I've been using these in a mix of gadgets: my TV remote, my camera flash, even a handheld gimbal, and the output stays strong and reliable. Unlike traditional NiMH batteries that gradually lose voltage, these lithium cells deliver stable performance right until they're drained. The box also makes it easy to stay organized: no more loose batteries rolling around. And when it's time to recharge, just plug in the Type-C cable and watch the LEDs do their work. It's important to note this charger is specifically designed for 1.5 volts lithium rechargeable AA batteries. It's not compatible with 1.2 volts NiMH batteries, and PD fast charging adapters aren't supported. For the best performance, use a regular 5 volts 3A charging head. Inside the box, you'll get everything you need: 8 AA rechargeable lithium batteries, the charger case itself, a Type-C cable, a 5 volts 3A charging head, and a user manual. ORICO keeps quality control tight with a defect rate of only about 1 in 1,000. But if you ever get 1 or 2 batteries that don't charge properly, they offer quick and easy support to make things right. If you're someone who constantly uses AA batteries, whether for home devices, tech gear, or travel, the ORICO Battery Charger Box is a smart, sustainable, and cost-saving upgrade. Compact, fast, and beautifully designed, this little charger box truly powers your life efficiently and neatly.